This is arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is a sequence. You say A1, A2, it has some pattern. Pattern is that difference between two consecutive term is constant. Say A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, an minus 1, these are same value, it is d, and this d we say common difference of the arithmetic progression. And arithmetic mean, if these are n terms in an AP, then this is the first term, this is the last term, and there are n minus 2 terms here, and these n minus 2 terms are n minus 2 arithmetic means in between a and b. Now mth term in an AP, this is the formula, Tm is a plus m minus 1 to d, and sum of first n term it is given by this one. A is the first term, d is the common difference, n is the number of terms. Similarly, geometric progression is same, it is some sequence of numbers, terms, and pattern is this ratio of two consecutive term, it is r. So a2 minus a1 equal to a3 minus a2 equal to an minus 1, these are all r. And geometric mean is same, there are n terms, and n terms, this n minus 2 terms, these are the geometric mean. This is geometric mean, this should be, this is not arithmetic, this is geometric mean. Geometric mean, so this is geometric mean. And mth term is Tm is equal to a r to the power m minus 1. First term is a, r is common ratio, m is mth term, so it is this. And sum of first n terms in a GP is Sn equal to a by a into r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1. Then infinite sum we can define here, where m goes to infinity, n goes to infinity, provided this common ratio is absolute value is less than 1. So it's a fraction, proper fraction. So infinite sum is given by this. So n goes to infinity, so r to the power n goes to 0, like that. And these are for natural numbers. Sum of first n natural number is this formula. Sum of square of first n natural number is this, n into n plus 1 to this, this is not 2, this is 6, n into n plus 1 into twice n plus 1 divided by 6. Then cubic is this, n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. So these are the formula for first n natural numbers. Then exponential is this e is a rational number, its value is about 2 point something. So this is an irrational number, and it is when we this is e, we take logarithm, base is e, so this e, and e is this series is given by this e to the power x. So e to the power 1 is, or e number is 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by r factorial, etc., etc. And this logarithmic series is defined for mod x less than 1. Mod x should be less than 1, then it is log of 1 plus x to the base e is x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3, this one. And for x equal to 1 also it is defined, x equal to 1, so we have log of 2. Log of 2 is 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, etc., etc. But for x equal to minus 1 it is not defined. Then these are the problems. Ninth term, so it is an AP. 7 by 3 minus 5 by 3 is 2 by 3, 3 minus 7 by 3 it is 2 by 3, so D is 2 by 3, this is A is 5 by 3, and ninth term we need to find. So T9 is 5 by 3 plus 9 minus 1 into 2 by 3, and it is 7. And this 2 is 11 term. This is minus 1 minus 6, it is minus 7, minus 8 minus 1, it is minus 7. So it is AP. So A is 6 here, D is minus 7. So T11 is minus 64. Then 8 term, it is minus 3 into minus 5, it is 15. 15 into minus 5, it is minus 75. So this is a ZP. So A is minus 3, R is minus 5, and 8 term is T8 is S. Then this one is A is 3 by 4, R is, this is also ZP, and R is 1 by 4. We are multiplying by 1 by 4. This is 3 by 16, this is 3 by 64, like that. And T17 is this one. Then third term of an AP, this is a problem. Third term of an AP is 18 and 7 term is 330. Find that two, and we need to find the progression. So this is T3. This is T3. This should be, this is T3. So T3 is equal to A plus 3 minus 1 to D, it is 18, and T7 is A plus 60 30. So what we are getting, so A plus twice D is equal to 18. Then A plus 6D is equal to 30. So subtract it. So 4D is equal to 12, and we are having D is equal to 3 and D is equal to 3. Then A is equal to 3 into 2, it is 6. So A is equal to 12. So AP is 12. Then 12 plus 3 is 15. 15 plus 3 18, like that. And this one is first term of an AP is 5, and common difference is 3, and last term is 80. So number of terms we need to find n. So Tn is 5 plus n minus 1 into 3, it is 80. Implies thrice n is equal to 78, implies n is equal to 26. Then this is, we need to insert 4 arithmetic mean between 2 and 12. So 4 arithmetic mean with, along with this 2, there are 6 terms. So 2, M1, M2, M3, M4, 12 are in AP. So first term is 2 and T6 is 12. And by this we find D, and D is getting as 2. So 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, like that. So these are the 4, 6, 8, 10. Similarly 5 arithmetic means, then 3 arithmetic means with a minus 24, and 0, minus 7. So minus T5 is 9, and getting D equal to 4, like that. Then this is ZP. It is ZP. So 4, 1 by 256. So T6 is 1 by 256, and from this 4 is R equal to, after solving it we get R is equal to 1 by 4. So it is 4, 4 into 1 by 4 is 1, 1 into 1 by 4 is 1 by 4, 1 by 16, 1 by 64. Then this ABC are in AP. We need to prove that these are also in AP. So ABC are in AP means this is a condition. So C minus B is equal to B minus A equal to D. So we need to prove that this difference is same. So B square into C plus A minus A square into B plus C. This is C square into A plus B minus B square into C plus A. So we are computing this. It is, take A common, we get C square minus B square. Then BC is taken common, it is C minus B. Then this is C square minus B square, C minus B into C plus B. So C minus B is taken common, then it is AB plus BC plus CA. Then C minus B is D. We are placing this as D, and this is AB plus BC plus CA. Similarly, this is also, we are taking B minus A common, and because B minus A is equal to D, so this is, so they are equal, and that is why they are in AP. This is also same. Then this one is ABC are P8, Q8, Rth term of a GP. It is given. So X is the first term and S be the common ratio. We are assuming it. So T1 is X first term, and TP is X into S to the power P minus 1, and this is given as A. TQ is Qth term is B. It is by formula, it is X into S to the power Q minus 1. TR is C. It is this one. Now we take this one, A to the power Q minus 1, Q minus R plus B to the power R minus P plus C to the power P minus Q. So in place of A we are writing this one, in place of B it is this, and in place of C it is X S to the power R minus 1. Then X to the power Q minus R. This is X to the power R minus P, and this is X to the power P minus Q. We are adding all this, and it is getting 0 here. Similarly, S to the power, we have to multiply this P minus 1 to Q minus R. This is Q minus 1 to R minus P. This is R minus P into P minus Q, and all after simplification we get all this. We are adding this, and we get this again, it as 0. So S to the power 0, this is 1. Actually this is the second part. And then we take log. So take log, then log of 1 is 0, log of 1 is 0, and this one log of this, log of this. So log of this is log A, log of A, log of Mn is what? So log of Mn means log of A to the power Q minus R plus log of B to the power R minus P plus log of C to the power P minus Q. And because these are index, so this they come as coefficient, so it is Q minus R into log A plus R minus P into log B. So like that. So we are getting this P minus Q into log C, and right hand side is 0. Then this is also worked out example, you can see it. Then to find this sum, so SN formula I have got it. So this is A, and D is, this is AP 0.03. So D is 0.03, A is 0.01, and S40 is twice A plus n minus 1 into D. Then this is also AP 3 is A, then 10, it is 10 is D, so n is 50. Then number 3, it is ZP 1 by 4 into 1 by 16, so it goes to infinity because R is less than 1. So R is less than 1 it is, so it is formula is 1 A by 1 minus R, so it is 4 by 3. So this is also number 4. This is also, this goes to infinity. This is, here it is 4 by 9 minus 4 by 9. So it is proper fraction. So it is less than 1, and this is 1 minus R, is minus 4 by 9, and this is the value. Then number 5, here last term is given, so we need to find n. So Tn is this value. So this is ZP 6 into half, it is 3 into half, it is 1.5, 1.5 into half, it is how much, 0.75, like that. So this is a, so A is 6, R is half, and Tn is this one. So we need to find, so half, then Tn is by formula 6 into 0.5 to the power n minus 1, then is equal to this is given as 0.9375, then 0.5 whole to the power n minus 1, we are dividing by 6, so this is the value, so it is 0.5 whole to the power 6, so n is equal to 7, so this is S7. Then number 6, this is also, here it is minus half, so R is minus half and this one is Tn, so Tn formula, it is Tn, it is minus half, Tn is this one, and this is 0.007125, then we are factorizing this, we get this as 0.5 to the power 7, so n is equal to 8, and S8 is this sum by formula, because we are getting 8, so S8 is this one. Then for this problem, what we do, 4 we take common, then it is 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 etc etc, then this 1 1 we write as 9, we are dividing by 9, so it is 1 1 1 1 1 1 etc etc, then 9 we write 10 minus 1, 99 we write 100 minus 1, this 1000 minus 1 etc etc, then it is this, so this is a GP, 10 plus 10 square plus 10 cube up to 10 to the power n, and this is minus 1 minus 1, there are n ones are there, so it is minus n, so this GP, this is a sum is A is 10, then R is 10, so R to the power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1, R minus 1 is 10 minus 1 is 9, so this is the sum of this GP, 4 by 9 is here and minus n, so this is the sum. Same for this one, then this one in, this is not decimal, it is 1, this is 1 into 4, 1 into 4 plus 2 into 9 plus 3 into 16, so we see the pattern, so in place of R it is rth term, it is second term, it is 2, then it is 4, 2 plus 1 square, this is 1 plus 1, it is 2 square, this is 3 square, it is 4 square, so it is 3 into R plus 1 whole square, so this is the common, this is the general value, so R into R plus 1 whole square, and we are adding from 1 to 15 terms, so after simplification it is this one, and we know the value summation R cube when R are natural numbers, R varies from 1 to 15, we know this value, so it is summation R cube, it is 1 to 15, so it is 15 into 16 divided by 2 whole square, this is cubic sum, this is square sum, it is 2 into, it is n is 15 into n plus 1 is 16 into twice n plus 1, it is 31 divided by 6, so this 2 goes, this is 3, it is 5, so it is 5 into 16 into 31, 5 into 16 into 31, and this is n into n plus 1 by 2. So that's it, we are finding this one. Then this one also, general term is this 3 into R minus 1, it is summation R square, we get it summation R from those formula. Then find the GP whose product is 729 and the sum of their product in pairs is 819. So we assume, we don't know what are the terms, so we assume 3 terms, one is A, the other is, second is AR, then AR square. So their product is this one, A cube R cube, it is 9 cube. so AR is 9. Then sum in products in pair, so A square R plus A square R, then A square R cube and A square R square. This given as 819, and this is equal to taking AR common, AR square common, A square R square common, take A square R square common, so here it is 1 by R, this is 1 and this is R, so it is 918. Then we have 819 by 81 is equal to 1 plus R plus 1 by R, then 1 we subtract, so it is, or it is divisible, it is 9, this is 91, 91 by 9 minus 1, it is 82, 82 by 9 is equal to this is R and this is R square plus 1. Then we get a quadratic equation in R, so it is 9R square minus 82R plus 9 is equal to 0. So this one is 9R square, this you write as 81R minus R plus 9 is equal to 0. So it is R is equal to 9. This gives us R is equal to 9 or 1 by 9. So R is equal to 9. So A is equal to 1. So there 1981. This is for logarithmic series value A to the power x. So e to the power a is greater than 0. So A, because A is greater than 0, so we can have this value log of A to the base e. So this is equal to kc. Then e to the power k is equal to a. So we know the expansion of e to the power x. So e to the power a to the power ax is equal to e to the power kx. So kx is so we expand this is 1 plus kx plus kx whole square by 2 factorial k cube kx whole cube by 3 factorial, etc., etc. So in place of k we write log of a to the base e. So we are getting this. Then this is this one. Next, e to the power x, we got the expansion e to the power x. E to the power x is this, then minus x is, this is plus, this is plus is here, this is plus. So e to the power x is this series, e to the minus x, put x equal to minus x, so it is minus x, then minus x whole square is plus, minus x whole cube it is minus, then minus x whole to the power r is minus 1 to the power r into x to the power r, etc., etc. So when we add it, this minus will go and remains double of this 1 plus 1, then this plus this, and then so all positive values, positive terms, these are doubled, and because it is half, so only remains these things 1 plus x square by 2 factorial. When this power is even, these things will come. So what we can confer, if it is subtraction, then this is subtraction, then this square, this even powers will go and remains odd powers. So if it is minus, then it is x, then plus x cube by 3 factorial plus x to the power 5 by 5 factorial, etc., etc. Then t to the power then number 3 is what, this one. So this we modify 1 into 3, 2 into 4, so nth term we write, third term is 3, this is 3 plus 2, this is 2 plus 2, this is 1 plus 2, this is 4 plus 2, so it is r into r plus 2, or n into n plus 2 by n factorial. And we simplify this so that we need to have factorial values for denominator. So it is n minus 1 plus 3. So this n will go, remains n minus 1 factorial. Then this is n plus 2, we write as n minus 1 plus 3. This is 3 by n minus 1 factorial, and it is 1 by n minus 2 factorial. Then first term we write as 3. Then second term is, here we write n equal to 2. So n equal to 2 is 3 by 1 factorial, and it is 1 by 0 factorial. N equal to 3, it is 3 by 2 factorial, it is 1 by 1 factorial. So etc. So this gives us 3e, and this gives us 1e. So it is total is 4e. So this is logarithmic series. Logarithmic, it is 1 plus x minus 1 by x root over, means what? It is root over 1 plus x by 1 minus x. The log e means log, this is basis e, it is 1 plus x by 1 minus x whole to the power half. So this half comes as coefficient. So this is equal to half, then log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x to the base e. So log of m by n. So log of 1 plus x minus log of 1 minus x. Then we write the series for log of 1 plus x, then log of 1 minus x, and after addition we get this one. So these are also after deduction we get this series. Then these are some problems to work out. 9 term, this is AP, 5 plus 4, 9 plus 4. This is 6 minus 3, 3 minus 3, 0 minus 3, etc. This is ZP. So it is minus 3 into minus half. So 3 by 2 into minus half, minus 3 by 4 into minus half. So R is minus half here, and A is minus 1 by minus 3. Here A is 1 by 4, R is 3 by 4. R is 1 by 4 into 3 by 10 term in this. I think it should be 3, then only we will have it. So it is 3, then only we will have ZP. So 3 by 4 into 1 by 4, 3 by 6, 3 by 16 into 1 by 4, then 3 by 2, 64 into 1 by 4, like this. So A is 3 by 4 and R is 1 by 4. Then how many numbers divisible by 17? So divisible by 17, what should you do? It is 17. It is, so in between 25 and 470. So 17 into 2, it is 34. So 34 is greater than 25. So first term is 34 here, then 51, then 68. Go on multiplying by 17, means what? This common difference is 17. And last term will be, we divide by this is 450 divided by 16. What we have? 2, it is 34, then it is 110, then 6 into 17, it is what? 6 into 17, 2, 10, means remainder is 8. So 17 into 26 is the term which is less than 450. So 17 to 26 is, it will be 8, it will be, remainder is 8. So we subtract 8 from this, so it is 448. So last term is 448. 448 is it? sorry, 442, not 442. So how many terms divisible by 17? So 34 is the first term and 442 is the last term, and we find n now. So it is a is 34, so Tn is equal to 34 plus n minus 1 into 17. It is given as 442. Then 34 it is, so n minus 1 into 17 is equal to this is 8 and this 108 408. Is 408. So n minus 1 is 408 by 17. It is 24. So n is equal to 25. Then this is similar case. Numbers of integer between 500 and 2000 not divisible by 5. Not divisible by 5 means it is divisible by 5. Divisible by 5 we see it is 500, then 505, etc, etc. So last term is 2000. So a is 500 plus n minus 1 into 5 equal to 2000. So n minus 1 is, it is 1500 by 5. 1500 by 5 is 300. 300 means n is equal to 301. 301. Then we not divisible. So in between 500 and 2000 there are 1500 1501 numbers, because these are included. 1501 number, 500 and 2000 are included. Then out of this 301 are divisible by 5. So other 5 minus 3, it is 2. So this 1200 number, these are not divisible by 5. So these are simple things. We are just to find this. Then AP, it is PQR terms on AP, ABC respectively, so that A by PQ minus R, B by Q, R minus P, C by RP minus Q. This one. So these are in AP. So this minus this, these are the condition. Then we have to prove that A square, B square, C square are in AP. We need to prove that B square minus A square is equal to C square minus B square, like this. So these are all simple things. These are this find the three terms. So we assume this A are three terms only. So it is A R square. These are the three terms. If we consider, if we find this one, then sum is 19. A plus AR square is 19, and their product is 216. Product means A cube R cube is equal to 216 is equal to 6 cube. So AR is 6, so this will be 6 into AR into 1 plus R plus 1 by R. So 1 plus R plus 1 by R is 19 by 6. Then r plus 1 by r is 1 minus, you subtract, is 13 by 6. Then r square plus 1 by r, so it is 6r square plus 6 is equal to 13r. Then we get this quadratic, 6r square minus 13r plus 6 is equal to 0. So it is 6 into 6, 36. Then 36, 9 into 4, 9 plus 4, it is 13. So our factorization is like this: 6r square minus 9r minus 4r plus 6 equal to 0. This gives us 6, 3r, we take common, 2r minus 3, then minus 2, this 2r minus 3. So r is equal to 2 by 3. So you get the value r is equal to 2 by 3. So AR is 6, r is equal to 3 by 2 or 2 by 3. 3 by 2, 2 by 3. And we get the value of A. Then, so these are the way to solve this equation. These are these things. This is 1 into 2 into 5, 2 into 3 into 6, 3 into 4 into 7. This is n into n plus 1 into n plus 3, 6, 4, 3, 2, 5. So n into n plus 1 into n plus 4. So if we consider this one, we will have Tn or Tr is equal to r into r plus 1 into r plus 4. We simplify it, r cube plus 5r square plus 4r. So this is sum of r cube from 1 to 10, sum of r square from 1 to 10, sum of r from 1 to 10. Then this is also by deduction. This is 3 by 1 factorial, 3 by 1 factorial, 5 by 2 factorial. If we consider this one, what should we get? So Tn is equal to 1 if it is n plus, this is n plus 1 factorial, and numerator is, this is 2 1 2 and 2 minus, sorry, minus, this is minus n minus 1, and then this is 2 plus 1 3, this is 2 into 2 minus 1, 2 into 3 minus 1, this is twice n minus 1. Means what? Second term, it is when n is 2, it is 3 by 1. This is 4, so fourth term, so it is 3, this is 4 into 2 minus 1, 7. Now we simplify it, it is 2 n minus 2 plus 1 to get here n minus 1. Then this is equal to 2, then it is n minus 1 by n minus 1 factorial plus 1 by n minus 1 factorial. So this n minus 1 goes, so this is equal to now 2 by n minus 2 factorial. factorial plus 1 by n minus 1 factorial. So first we write 1, then this we write 3, then from second here we can do this, we can do. So this here we write first term we write as 1, so first term is 1, then 3 by 1 factorial we write as 2 by 0 factorial, n is 2 here, plus 1 by 1 factorial plus third term we write as n is 3, so it is 2 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial plus this. So this 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial, this will give us e, and 2 into 1 by 0 factorial 1 by 1 factorial, this will give us twice e. So e plus twice e, this gives us thrice e. So this is the way to find this sum. This is all about progression series. These are exponential series, logarithmic series, AP series, GP series, all.